Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get a StockX discount code.
Hey
All
everyone,
right,
today
let's
you'll learn
begin.
how to get a
First, open
StockX
your web
discount
browser
code.
and go to promocode.ac. Once you are on the site,
Search for
use the search
StockX
bar
in the
to look
search
for
bar.
StockX. This will show
And
you a
there
list
you
of
would be
available
able to see
promo codes and
available
discounts.
promos and codes.
Next, browse through the
So
offers and
simply
select
select
the
the
one that
promo you
works
want
best for
by
you.
clicking on the C code
Click on the
next to
C
it.
code button next to the promo you want to
After that,
use.
copy the code
This
and
will
use
reveal
it
the
during
discount
your
code,
checkout
which
in
you can then
StockX.
copy.
And that's
Once
how
you
to
have
get a
copied the
StockX
code,
discount code.
head over to
If you have
StockX
found
and
this
add
video
your
helpful,
desired
please
items
leave
to the
us a
cart.
like and don't forget to subscribe.
During checkout, paste the promo code into the designated field and the discount will be applied to your purchase. Keep in mind that some codes have usage limits or expiration dates, so make sure to check the details before applying them. If one code does not work, try another from the list. So that's basically how you can get a StockX discount code. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.